How to make money on Freelancer as a cartoonist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of this platform. So for example, if I was a business owner coming to this platform to search or to hire or to find a cartoonist, I will just go to hire freelancers in here, click on by skill. Then I'm going to search for the freelancer with the skill I'm searching for. So here we have graphic designers, we have fashion, tattoo designers, we have 3D graphic designers, web writers. Let's go with graphic designers just to accede or to access to where we can enter the skill we're searching for. So let's go here, and those are the profiles of the people or the freelancers that are doing the same skill. Let's click on see more Adobe Photoshop experts, and here you will be able to see their profiles, where are they from, how much they're getting paid per hour, what are they talking about in their description, how are they describing their service. And you can also check their reviews and see if there are some bad reviews or some good reviews. All of those things help you decide if you're going to hire that freelancer or not. So if you find someone with some bad reviews, you cannot hire them, obviously. So here you can also see where are they from and all sort of things about them. So guys, that's what I'm going to teach you in today's video. I'm going to teach you how you can create your own profile like those people, to showcase your skills, to talk about your skill, put a headline to it, and to showcase your hourly rate as well. So let's go back to the main page, which is freelancer here, and click on earn money freelancing, and then fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to drop my username and my password, then click on login, and then give it a few seconds. Then you will be proceeded to the dashboard. So guys, this is your dashboard. It's where you can control everything about your profile. So here in your top right, you have your profile in here. You can check your account, you can view your profile, membership, account analytics, bid insights, settings, and here for the finances, you can check your balance, add funds, withdraw funds, transaction history, financial dashboard, and check your payment sharing. And you can also check the support if you have encountered any problems, or if you want to invite a friend, click on this link. You will be able to generate your own custom link for inviting, and if you want to log out from your profile. So let's go up and go to view profile. We have to make a lot of adjustments to our profile. As you can see, it's very empty. We have nothing in here, 0 reviews, 0 money, 0 likeliness, 0 jobs completed, 0 budget, 0 repeat, a higher rate. So the first thing we're going to do is to click on edit profile, and here you will need first, in order to edit your profile, to verify your email. That's what you will need to do first. Then after verifying your email, make sure to upload a profile picture, because no one, literally no one will work with a freelancer with no profile picture. You will look like 100% scammer. And also make sure to upload a cover photo that will make you seem legit to clients. After that, you proceed to the verifications. So here make sure to join the elite group of the best freelancers. As you can see, not a member of our elite group of the best freelancers. After that, make sure to verify your identity. identity not verified through a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Then verify your payment method, not verified to have a valid payment method. Same thing with phone, email, and for your Facebook account, make sure to connect it as well. And if you are wondering why do I need to make all of these verifications, well, basically those verifications will help you gain more trust and credibility in the platform, and by gaining more trust, the platform will suggest you to more clients, and more clients equals more money eventually. And after you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to choosing your hourly rate, and then you proceed to fill in your professional headline and your summary, which is basically your description. It's where you're going to talk about your expertise, your skills, where did you learn the skills, what is your previous work, and all of those sort of stuff. And after you're done with your summary, then you proceed to choosing your skills. So click on this button in here and remove these skills. As you can see, you can add up to 20 skills. So let's remove these. And let's go to search for a skill, and let's go for cartoonist. We have here caricature and cartoons. Let's see if you can find something else related to cartoons. So that's all what we have in this category. So then after choosing your skill, make sure to go down and click on save to save those changes. After that, you proceed to add in a portfolio. As you can see, no portfolio items have been added yet. So make sure to add your portfolio. It will help you to make or gain more trust. Same thing with these 4: experience, education, qualifications, and publications. All of these 4 will help you gain more trust and credibility in the platform. And after you're done with filling after you're done with making all of these changes to your profile, then it's time to make some money. So go to browse in here, click on projects, and in this page you're going to see all of the posted jobs from business owners or individuals who are looking for some certain people with some certain skills to hire them to do a job for them, or a project, or a gig. So you can just find the project or the posted job that fits you, and you can apply for it. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.